Hello friends. Today in our rhymes class we will learn few rhymes. The first and foremost we are going to learn about Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day. That was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play and ran around the school. And the next rhyme we are going to learn about pitter patter raindrops. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you, oh, don't you. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, so are you. I'm wet through, so are you. And the next rhyme, Itsy Bitsy spider. Itsy Bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So Itsy Bitsy spider went up the spout again. And the next rhyme is the wheels on the bus goes. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The mother in the bus says wow, 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 wow. The mother in the bus says wow, 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 all through the town. The whistle in the bus goes wee, 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 wee. The whistle in the bus goes wee, 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 all through the town. The next rhyme is UVs Yacht. Rain, rain, come every day. Little UV wants to play. Rain, rain, come every day. Little UV wants to play with paper yachts in muddy pools near his home and around the school. The next and the last rhyme we are going to learn in this video is zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We are going to the moon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We will reach there very soon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Did you enjoy the rhyme, children? If you did enjoy the rhyme, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is Learners with Geetha. Thank you for watching.